I had the sausages and the bacon. The sausages were so good. They really were good though. The ceviche with the lime.
It's pretty good.
Alright, how many plates do we need to get out of you? 4?
It's good.
3.
I got the mango margarita.
Messina, how are we starting?
What was left? Let's see. I had jalapeno stuffers and chicken fajitas.
Yes. 1 plate down.
Very good. As you can see, it's gone.
Oh, I got some rice, I'm drinking some horchata. I got some pork, beef, some eggs, and some more rice on this tortilla. And I had some bacon.
Well, I had some beef, pork, rice, beans, bacon, and the tortilla, but I wrapped all of it together, ate it a little bit. And then I was drinking a Sprite, and I'm still working on the last bit of it.
Hi, I'm having the chicken fajitas. They're delicious. And I'm having the camarones con rajas y crema. Delicious, very good. And chorizo con huevo. Common, it's good, delicious.
Pretty much the same thing as she's had. Add some jalapeno poppers, add some Mexican rice. Really good. Good food, bueno.